I'm so glad to be standing up here and with you, and thanks for coming with me. It's been a couple.
Monica and Joe, you chose to get engaged and spend the rest of your life together based on a deep emotional connection. Looks, age, finances, and all the superficial things of the world were not a factor for you two. Now is the time to decide if love is blind. Monica, do you take Joey to be your lawfully wedded husband? To have, to hold, from this day forward, to love.
I'm so glad to be standing up here and with you, and thanks for coming with me. It's been a couple.
Monica and Joe, you chose to get engaged and spend the rest of your life together based on a deep emotional connection. Looks, age, finances, and all the superficial things of the world were not a factor for you two. Now is the time to decide if love is blind. Monica, do you take Joey to be your lawfully wedded husband? To have, to hold, from this day forward, to love, and cherish, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, for as long as both shall live.
Okay.
But like it's 100% we're just full. We're not quaked here.
Okay.
And it's like amazing. I do.
I got it. It's okay. It's totally okay.
I'm crying.
All right. I do want to say something to everyone, because obviously this is like a crazy to cherish every moment and every little good thing about a moment. Although we came here, this was our ultimate decision. I think there's a ton of good and just like my sister would if she was here, to find that, cherish that, and I'm sure Monica feels the same. So, thank you so much. And Kim,
One minute about your sister.
You okay? Yeah, I agree. That's what's important. That's how we're taking care.
Yep, all the races.